Hello. Today we are going to learn body parts. Body parts help us move, touch, and play. Watch me first. This is your hand. Can you touch your hand? Look, point, touch. Now let's try together. Touch your hand. Good job. Touch your hand. Great. Touch your hand. Nice work. Touch your hand. Super. Touch your hand. Fantastic. Touch your head. Good job. Touch your head. Nice work. Touch your head. Great. Touch your head. Super. Touch your head. Excellent. Touch your feet. Good job. Touch your feet. Nice work. Touch your feet. Great. Touch your feet. Super. Touch your feet. Fantastic. Touch your nose. Good job. Touch your nose. Nice work. Touch your nose. Great. Touch your nose. Super. Touch your nose. Excellent. Touch your iris. Good job. Touch your iris. Nice work. Touch your iris. Great. Touch your iris. Super. Touch your iris. Fantastic. You identified 5 body parts. You are amazing at body parts. High five. See you next time. Wave goodbye.